We're here today because of real concern that the public have about soil contamination around Grenfell Tower following the fire of last year.
This is a very important meeting and I welcome it. It's an opportunity for us to tell the people in North Kensington where we are, what we've been trying to do on their behalf, and maybe explain a few things that may be making them anxious, and I hope we can put some of that to rights.
Well, Professor Anastek's research has been partly shared with the public health and NHS communities. And what's now happening is that the government are bringing in a team of expert scientists using all the disciplines in order to examine both air quality, soil quality and other issues that may be threats to people.
Well, the good news is that we're in touch with Professor Anastek. She's agreed to work with us and the government scientists. She has written to myself and the Director of Public Health to say that the vast majority of people in the area will be completely unaffected by the soil issues that she has raised. But clearly she is also interested in the health of people who are the responders, particularly the firefighters, and that's where her research has been most prominent.
The concern from within the council isn't that risk is higher. Our concern really is about trying to give a allay for people's fears and to make sure that the community is involved to some extent in the testing, so there's oversight of the methods used and the tests. And we feel it's very important that the community gets as close to the experts as is possible in relation to this. What we don't want is a completely separate, hermetically sealed examination of the issues from a scientific point of view, which doesn't have community ownership and understanding.
Well, we've always assessed the risk to the population in Grenfell and that area as low. We have no reason to believe that risk assessment has changed from the soil. However, we've always kept an open mind, and I'm pleased to say that we will be bringing forward soil testing that was intended to be done around the demolition of the building. We can bring that forward, and that work has started.
Yeah, I think we need to address both the risks and the fear of risk. And I think as an authority, we were focused on the risk and the science about this and not enough about the community's fears. And for that, I really apologise.
So, when the Environment Agency design their testing regime, we'll have a look at it and we'll use other experts to look at it and make sure that it's good. If there's any issues we have with it, we'll go back and have a conversation with them about that until we're satisfied that it's good science.